AIdea Catalyst is a game changer in the AI software world, and if you're considering trying it out, there are some key things you need to know before diving in. This is the best just released AI software, and by the end of this review, you'll understand why it's making waves in the digital marketing world. So, what makes AIdea Catalyst stand out from the rest? First, it's designed to streamline your creative processes by using AI to help you come up with fresh, innovative ideas. Whether you're creating content for your business or just looking for ways to break free from creative blocks, AIdea Catalyst is built to fuel that process. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Unlike other AI tools that focus purely on automation or data analysis, AIdea Catalyst is all about generating unique and impactful ideas tailored to your needs. If you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, you'll appreciate how this software helps you unlock inspiration quickly. One of the first things you'll notice is the ease of use. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible for even those new to AI-powered tools. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. Everything is set up to ensure that even beginners can jump right in. And trust me, that's not something you'll find in many AI tools today. Another crucial feature is how AIdea Catalyst leverages vast data sets to provide creative suggestions. This is not your basic AI idea generator. It taps into a wide array of information, giving you insights that are not just surface level, but deeply relevant to your audience. The more you use it, the more it adapts to your specific needs. Let's talk about speed. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, time is everything. AIdea Catalyst significantly cuts down the time it takes to brainstorm and refine your content ideas. Whether you're working on blog posts, video scripts, or product descriptions, this software allows you to get the ball rolling much faster than traditional methods. And who doesn't love a tool that saves time? What I really appreciate about AIdea Catalyst is its scalability. You can use it for small projects or integrate it into larger campaigns. The software doesn't box you in with limitations, it grows with your needs. If you're scaling your business or need something that evolves as your requirements change, this tool is a perfect fit. Another standout feature is how AIdea Catalyst aids collaboration. If you're working with a team, this software allows everyone to contribute ideas and refine them in real time. You can integrate your team's input seamlessly, making this a perfect tool for group brainstorming sessions. And let's not forget about the value of the free trial. Yes, you can try AIdea Catalyst for completely free, and I highly recommend that you take advantage of this offer. You'll be able to see firsthand how this software can make a significant difference in your workflow without any risk or commitment. As you dive deeper into AIdea Catalyst, you'll notice how it provides you with constant improvements and new updates. This is a software that's actively being enhanced, so expect more powerful features down the line. And when you compare it to other AI tools on the market, it's clear that AIdea Catalyst is ahead of the curve. I have personally tried thousands of AI softwares, and I can confidently say that AIdea Catalyst stands out. It's not just another tool. It's a real solution that can elevate your content and creativity. If you're looking to take your creative output to the next level, this is the software you need to explore. In the description below, I've listed my recommended AI tools that you can try for free. After using so many AI tools, these are the ones that have really impressed me, and I know they'll work for you too. So, if you're ready to give AIdea Catalyst a shot, don't forget to click the first link in the description below to try it out completely free.